Students, today we will discuss the next method of expressing the concentration of solution, that is the percentage method. All of you know beta that percentage is calculated in 100 parts. So here the solution that I will take is also 100 parts. So keep remember a point in your mind that in percentage method the solution is always 100 parts. Either it will be 100 gram or it will be 100 ml, that we'll discuss later on. But the main point, we have to take 100 part of the solution. Now see the students, in the school you will normally attempt paper during the exam. Suppose out of 100 you got 70 marks, then your percentage will be 70. And if out of 100 you got 80 marks, then your percentage will be 80. So similar discussion यहाँ पर है. If in 100 part of solution, the solute comes out to be 20 parts, so this will be the 20% solution. Understand? So what is the meaning? Just see clear. Percentage method, it means parts of solute in 100 parts of solution. Clear to all of it? And if it is in 100 part of solution, the solute comes out to be 20 part. Again I take the same data. 20 part B means 20 part solute, then solution is said to be 20%. If in this 100 part solution, the solute comes out to be 30 parts, then this will be 30%. So what do you mean by percentage method? Percentage is simply the parts of solute in 100 part of solution. Now this method is divided into beta 3 different types. Number one, I'll start with percentage by mass, first method. This is written as percentage W by W. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Percentage by mass. The mass of solute in 100 gram of solution. This is simply the definition कि आपका कितने ग्राम solute है, mass of solute in 100 gram of solution. If in this 100 gram solution there is 20 gram solute, then solution is 20% by mass beta. And if there is 30 gram solute, then it is 30% by mass. So as far as my dear definition is concerned, this is the mass of solute in 100 gram of solution, keep in mind. Now the example of this, 20% aqueous NaOH solution by mass. What is the meaning of this? Just understand. 20% aqueous NaOH by mass, it means I am having 20 gram of NaOH in 100 gram of solution. In 100 gram solution में you are having 20 gram of NaOH. So from here beta the mass of solution Ws 100 gram. The mass of solute is 20 gram of NaOH. And remember aqueous means the solvent is water. Remember the term aqueous that you have done in the lower classes. Aqueous means the solvent is water. So the solvent comes out to be 100 minus 20, 80 gram water. Now see students, I have taken NaOH as solute. Why solute? The first reason, out of 20 and 80 its mass is 20 gram. This is the first reason. Second reason, remember the name of solution is always on the name of solute. If I will say sugar solution, it means solute is sugar. So keep remember this thing in your mind that the name of solution is always on the name of a solute. So now comes up with the formula for this. The formula for percentage by mass is percentage W by W is equal to WB upon WS into 100. That is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. B, remember, B is always for solute, S is always for solution, and W you know mass. So beta, since we have to do the numericals also, so I'll just write the formulas here so that in the last there is no problem for us. The first formula is percentage by mass is equal to WB upon WS into 100. This is formula number 1. Now this we have done the percentage by mass. Second term, student, it is percentage mass by volume. Percentage mass by volume. Percentage W by V. Now see what is the meaning of this. In this concentration, this is the mass of solute in 100 ml of solution. Remember the term 100 ml of solution. Listen, you have to learn, students, you have to learn what you have to calculate and what is the meaning of the concentration term. Both are the same thing. बड़े ध्यान से करना है. What is the meaning of percentage mass by volume? It means mass of solute in 100 ml of solution. Percentage by mass में क्या था? What we have done? Mass of solute in 100 gram. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. This you have to keep in mind. Clear to all of you? Otherwise there will be a big problem for you in the numerical part. So again I repeat, percentage mass by volume means mass of solute in 100 ml of solution. And if in this 100 ml of solution beta, the solute comes out to be 20 gram, then solution is 20% mass by volume. Suppose this comes out to be 30 gram mass of solute, then solution is 30% mass by volume. Okay. Now see an example of this. 20% aqueous NaOH solution. 20% aqueous NaOH solution, mass by volume, having density 2 gram per ml. Just listen students what they have given to you. The solution is 20% mass by volume. It means 20 gram NaOH is present in 100 ml of solution. From here beta, the volume of solution is 100 ml and again the mass of solute. I have told you that the name of solution is on the name of solute. So the mass of solute is 20 gram of NaOH. Clear to all of you? And listen student, how I calculate that you can say mass of solvent. Solution volume clear? Solute 20 gram. How can I calculate the mass of solute? Solute का mass कैसे आएगा? You remember that mass of solution is equal to mass of solvent plus mass of solution. Okay. From here beta हम solute का mass we can calculate. I can simply shift WS minus WB. तो बेटा WB तो है मेरे पास 20 ग्राम. I write WS minus WB. WB is given to me, but mass of solution नहीं है. What is given to us? Volume. So remember, whenever you are in a condition कि आपको mass चाहिए, volume दे रखा है और vice versa means volume चाहिए, mass दे रखा है, then you need a special term. Remember in mind, density. The symbol of density is this. This is pronounced as rho. This is equal to mass upon volume. That is W by V. So I write rho is equal to W upon V. What is the speciality of this term? By this term beta we can convert mass into volume. Mass को volume में convert कर सकते हैं and we can convert the volume into the mass. So what the mass comes out to be? Just mass comes out to be density into volume, whereas volume comes out to be mass upon density. Understand now? This you have to keep in your mind. Very important term. Whenever you have to convert mass into volume or volume into mass, always see density is given to you in the question. Okay. So here mass of solution चाहिए मेरे को and what is given? Volume. So mass is equal to density into volume minus WB. So देखिए बेटा, what is density in the question? 2 gram per ml. Question, sorry, in this example density is 2, volume is 100 minus WB 20. So 2 into 100, this will be 200 minus 20, this will be 180 gram. So by this way we can calculate this one. So again keep in your mind that density is very important term, and with the help of density we can convert mass into volume and volume into mass. So the formulas for percentage mass by volume, just see percentage mass by volume, that is WB upon Vs into 100. बेटा WB is mass of solute, ये हमने कैलकुलेट करना है, Vs is volume of solution. Now one thing you have to remember, जब हम किसी अगली टर्म पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, we shift to the other term, हमें देखना है कि उससे पिछली टर्म के साथ उसका अगर कोई रिलेशन है, then we have to learn it directly. No derivations, learn it directly for the numerical part. So before it we have done percentage by mass. So the relation is percentage mass by volume is equal to percentage by mass into density. So these are the two formulas for the percentage mass by volume. One is beta WB upon Vs into 100. Second is beta percentage by mass into density. I write here for the numerical part. Percentage mass by volume, this is equal to first WB upon Vs into 100. Second beta percentage by mass into density. So total till now we are having how many formulas? 3 formulas, and formulas are very important part as far as chemistry is concerned. Now the third and the last type of this one, that is percentage mass by percentage by volume. This is written as percentage V by V. So what is the meaning of this? Percentage by volume means volume of solute in 100 ml of solution. What is this? It is the volume of solute in 100 ml of solution, means आपका 100 ml solution है, उसमें कितने ml आपका solute है, that is your percentage by volume. Suppose बेटा solute comes out to be 20 ml, then this is 20% by volume, and suppose this comes out to be 30 ml, then this is 30% by volume. Clear? So percentage mass by volume is volume of solute in 100 ml of solution. Student normally they will say कि सर ये solute की volume कैसे हो सकती है? तो see my previous lecture, वहां पर भी मैंने डिस्कस किया था. Again I tell you once more, if you will make a solution between citric acid and water. Suppose this is our solute. Citric acid, you know, this is the compound that is present in lemon juice. So this is liquid, and solution is also liquid. Clear? Now see, both the parts are liquid. Now out of these two, normally ये solution हम घर पे prepare करते हैं during the summer season. तो बेटा just tell me, citric acid ज़्यादा होगा या water ज़्यादा होगा? Obviously water ज़्यादा होगा, so this will be the solvent. And citric acid और lemon juice कम होता है, so this will be the solute. Understand now? So यहाँ देखिए solution में I will take the volume of citric acid. Clear? So what is percentage by volume? Simply define करेंगे. One of the important ways, that is the volume of solute in 100 ml solution. 100 ml solution के अंदर कितना आपका solute का volume है? If this comes out to be 20 ml, 20% by volume. If this comes out to be 30 ml, 30% by volume. Clear? Now just see one example. Again I'll say the same. 20% aqueous citric acid solution by volume. What does it mean? Just see out. It means 20 ml citric acid is present in 100 ml of solution. So beta volume of solute is 20 ml. Volume of solution is 100 ml. And what will be about the solvent? Aqueous. Aqueous means जो आपका solute है, जो solvent है, वो क्या होगा बेटा? Water. तो volume of solvent 100 minus 20 comes out to be 80 ml. This thing is clear to all of you? Okay. Now just see what is the formula for beta percentage by volume. Percentage by volume, first formula beta VB upon Vs into 100. That is volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Now since before it we have done the two concentration terms, बेटा हमने इससे पहले percentage by mass we have done, percentage mass by volume we have done, तो हमें देखना होगा what is the relation of this with the previous term. So on seeing this, ये आएगा आपका just percentage V by V, this is equal to percentage by mass into density of solution upon density of solute. Remember बेटा rho s means density of solution और ध्यान कीजिए rho b means किसकी डेंसिटी है, this is the density of solute. ये solution, ये solute. And the third is percentage by volume is equal to percentage mass by volume upon density of solute. So total हमारे अब तक इसके अंदर टोटली वी आर हैविंग 3 फॉर्मूलेस, तीनों को नोट करते हैं. हमारा पहला आर्टिकल आज का कंप्लीट होगा परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम. सो आई विल राइट परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम VB upon VS into 100. फॉर्मूला नंबर 4, percentage by volume, then percentage beta by mass into density of solution upon beta density of solute. Question number 5, sorry, formula number 5, and the last percentage V by V is equal to percentage mass by volume upon density of solution. 6 formulas. बेटा फॉर्मूले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज टुडे यू नो दैट दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ एमसीक्यूज और एमसीक्यूज में आज एक बहुत बड़ा टाइम चला हुआ है दैट दे विल गिव द फॉर्मूलास. फॉर एग्जांपल वो आपको कहेंगे दे विल सी यू कि आउट ऑफ द फॉर्मूलास व्हिच इज नॉट द करेक्ट फॉर्मूला फॉर परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम. तो वो आप कैसे सजेस्ट करोगे, कैसे आप उसको चूज करोगे? देयर इज ओनली वन वे इफ यू नो ऑल दीस फॉर्मूलास. सो कीप रिमेंबर, कभी भी फॉर्मूले को बर्डन मत लेके चलिए. फॉर्मूले से भागोगे देन केमिस्ट्री नहीं कर पाओगे. क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? फॉर्मूलास आर द क्लियर कट शॉर्टकट फॉर द न्यूमेरिकल्स. कीप इन माइंड. Okay, so this is about percentage by volume. Before I go to the next term, I'll tell you one thing. Just see it very carefully. If I say 20% NaOH solution, so what will I take? I take it is this is percentage by mass, mass by volume और percentage by volume. क्या लेके चले? क्योंकि मैंने specify नहीं किया है, so हम किसको लेके चले? I take it as by mass, I take it as mass by volume. या बेटा क्या लेके चले? by volume. ध्यान रखिए, if the unit is not specified then this is always percentage by mass means 20 gram of NaOH in 100 gram of solution. तो बेटा यहां से from here the mass of solute आपका आया 20 gram of NaOH. solution बेटा 100 gram solution 100 gram and solvent you know that is 100 minus 20 beta 80 gram. So this is all about beta regarding the percentage, and in this whole we are having 6 formulas. Just learn them. Clear? Now the next term is parts per million, ppm. Remember the solution, the students, sorry, the percentage we have calculated in how many parts? 100 parts. Clear? Now we are dealing in ppm, parts per million. Means अब हम किस में डील करेंगे? 1 million में. Clear to all of you? So the meaning of parts per million is mass of solute. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? याद कीजिए, कंसंट्रेशन में हमेशा कैलकुलेट किसको करोगे? सोल्यूट को. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? यू हैव टू लर्न. और सॉल्यूशन का क्या क्वांटिटी होगा? यू हैव टू लर्न. सो इन ppm, or ppm means mass of solute in 10 raised to the power 6 gram solution. 10 raised to the power 6 gram means you can also say it as beta 1 million gram solution. शॉर्ट में कहें कि 1 मिलियन ग्राम सोल्यूशन है आपके पास. इन दैट सोल्यूशन आपका सोल्यूट जितना होगा दैट विल बी द ppm, पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. क्लियर? सो सपोज अब this comes out to be 20 gram solute, then it is 20 ppm. But if this comes out to be 40 gram solute, then this will be 40 ppm. So again I define what is the meaning of ppm. This is the mass of solute in 10 raised to the power 6 gram of solution. Also you can write 1 million gram of solution. So just see the example of this. For this I will take example is that is a 0.2 ppm NaOH aqueous solution. जस्ट सी आउट बेटा, हाउ मेनी ppm, कितने ppm है आपके, यू आर हैविंग 0.2 ppm, इट मींस 0.2 ग्राम NaOH in 10 raised to the power 6 gram of solution. Point clear हुआ यहाँ से? So from here the mass of solute Wb is 0.2 gram beta, mass of solution is 10 raised to the power 6 gram, and the mass of solvent 10 raised to the power 6 minus 0.2 gram. Okay, I will take one more example. Now I will take 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6 ppm aqueous NaOH solution. 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6 ppm aqueous NaOH solution. So beta, from here see what is the value of ppm. 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6, it means 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6 gram NaOH is present in 10 raised to the power 6 gram of solution. So from here beta, solute का जो mass होगा, that is the mass of solute is 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6 gram NaOH. First thing here, what is the mass of solute? 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6. What is solution? Mass of solution beta, 10 raised to the power 6 gram of solution. Now the mass of solvent, that is equal to Ws minus Wb. यह आएगा बेटा आपका, this will be 10 raised to the power 6 minus 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6. Now see, 10 raised to the power 6, it will be written as 1 into 10 power 6 minus 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 6. बेटा I take common 10 raised to the power 6, ये मैंने कॉमन लिया, तो बेटा 1 माइनस 0.2 और 1 माइनस 0.2 कितना होगा बेटा, 0.8 मल्टीप्लाई 10 raised to the power 6 ग्राम सॉल्वेंट, एंड सिंस एक्वस इज गिवन तो ये सॉल्वेंट क्या होगा आपका, वाटर. बट बेटा यहां पर आइए, 10 raised to the power 6 0.2, there is a lot of difference, means 1 million gram or 0.2 gram, it is a very less quantity. So this हम normally what we can say, हम इसको नेगलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, and mass of solvent that is nearly equal to क्या ले सकते हैं, 10 raised to the power 6 gram if the amount of solute is very less. Clear? And again beta aqueous is mentioned, तो solvent क्या होगा आपका, solvent is water. So these are the two cases that I have discussed regarding the ppm. If this simply indicates कि अगर आपका सॉल्यूट का मास बहुत कम है, वेरी लेस, देन यू कैन नेग्लेक्ट इट, और अगर ना भी करो देन गो फॉर कैलकुलेशन, डजंट मेक सो मच ऑफ द डिफरेंस इन द न्यूमेरिकल्स. नाउ सी द फॉर्मुलाज ऑफ दिस. नाउ ppm, the formulas are ppm is equal to Wb upon Ws into 10 raised to the power 6. Clear to all of you? परसेंटेज में क्या था, ये दिस वाज 100, नाउ इट इज 10 raised to the power 6. Now beta, before it we have done three terms, percentage by mass, by volume, and this, so we'll see what is the relation between them. So beta, just remember we have done percentage by mass is equal to Wb upon Ws into 100. So beta ये 100 और ये 10 की power 6 कितने का डिफरेंस है, 4 का डिफरेंस है, रेस्ट इज सेम. This you have calculated in 100 gram, this in 10 raised to the power 6 gram. तो डायरेक्टली हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा, परसेंटेज बाय मास इनटू 10 raised to the power 4 ppm. Okay, and we know, just see out, percentage mass by volume is equal to percentage by mass into density. So from here percentage by mass क्या आएगा बेटा, this is equal to percentage mass by volume upon density multiplied 10 raised to the power 4. Clear? Now one term is left, that is percentage by volume. तो बेटा यहां से देखिए we have done the terms, ये हमने किया था, we have done percentage V by V is equal to percentage by mass into density of solution upon density of solute. From here beta percentage by mass comes out to be on cross multiplication percentage V by V into density of solute upon density of solution. Just put this in place of this one. So I will get in place of percentage by mass क्या लिखे बेटा, percentage V by V into density of solute upon density of solution, and this 10 raised to the power 4. So these are the four formulas for the ppm. नॉर्मली मैंने डेरिवेशन इसलिए बताया कि थोड़ी ये टिपिकल टर्म है, कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, तो वहां पर आप सॉल्व करके भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, बट रिमेंबर देयर शुड बी नो कंफ्यूजन. क्लियर? ओके, सो दिस इज all about ppm. Just we'll write our complete our list of formulas. ppm is first formula beta wb upon ws into 10 raised to the power 6. Second, ppm is equal to percentage by mass into 10 raised to the power 4, formula number 8. Formula number 9, ppm is equal to परसेंटेज मास बाय वॉल्यूम अपॉन डेंसिटी. एंड रिमेंबर बेटा, अब ये मैंने इंडिकेट नहीं किया है कि डेंसिटी किसकी है, देन अंडरस्टूड दिस इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 4, फॉर्मूला नंबर 9. एंड द लास्ट वन इज दैट इज दिस इज इक्वल टू परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 4. So total how many formulas? 10 formulas. These you have to learn. These are very important formulas. Now in today's lecture beta we'll do one more term, then we'll go for the numerical. That is strength. This is a new term. This term does not have any particular symbol. Just like ppm को ppm से डिनोट करते हैं, परसेंटेज के लिए भी सिंबल है, इसके लिए कोई सिंबल नहीं है. What is the meaning of this? Strength means mass of solute in 1 liter solution. बेटा there is a change now. अब तक आप या तो 100 ग्राम में काम कर रहे थे और we are working in 100 ml और some 10 raised to the power 6 ग्राम, बट फर्स्ट टाइम हम किस में कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन में. तो स्ट्रेंथ क्या होती है, व्हाट इज स्ट्रेंथ? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन. एंड बेटा इन दिस सॉल्यूशन इफ सॉल्यूट इज 2 ग्राम then strength is 2 gram per liter. And beta if solute comes out to be 3 gram, then the strength is 3 gram per liter. Understand? Now let's see the example of this. The NaOH solution is 2 gram per liter. This is given. So from gram per liter you have to identify that this is the strength. So what does it mean? It means 2 gram of NaOH is present in 1 liter of solution. So beta from here the mass of solute is 2 gram NaOH and volume of solution is 1 liter, or you can say 1000 ml. Clear to all of you? Okay, now just come to the formula. This is only one formula. Strength is equal to WB, mass of solute upon volume of solution in liter. सिर्फ एक formula, only one formula. I'll write on the top one. Strength is equal to WB upon VS in liter, formula number 11. Clear? स्ट्रेंथ को हम किसी भी टर्म के साथ नहीं जोड़ेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमें क्लियर कट एक अलग तरीके से काम करना है. वी हैव टू वर्क इन अ डिफरेंट वे. कीप इन माइंड दिस इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर. फ्रॉम हियर आई गेट द यूनिट्स, or you can say simply units. Beta the mass is taken in gram, volume is taken in liter, so the units are gram per liter. So this is about the strength. Clear to all of you? No. So this we have done percentage, we have done ppm, and we have done strength. Now beta we'll do the numericals. So I'll start with question number 1. I'll tell you that how can I do or how can I divide the numericals. सबसे पहले हम काम करेंगे, we'll do work on the calculation of these terms. Clear cut. हम सिर्फ इन टर्म्स को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दैट इज द टाइप 1 न्यूमेरिकल. विच टाइप? 1 न्यूमेरिकल. देन वी विल गो टू द राइट हैंड साइड डाटा कि आई से कि भी सॉल्यूट का मास कैलकुलेट करो या डेंसिटी निकालो, जस्ट सिंपली दिस टाइप ऑफ. तो यहाँ पर दो ही टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं आपके. फर्स्ट आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की चीजें कैलकुलेट करोगे, सेकेंड जो डाटा राइट हैंड साइड में है बेटा वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, सो आई स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. सॉल्यूशन कंटेन 20 gram of NaOH in 80 gram water having density 2 gram per ml. Calculate percentage by mass, mass by volume, ppm and strength. बेटा एक चीज आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू, ठीक है ना, कभी भी इजी न्यूमेरिकल ट्राई मत कीजिए बिकॉज सिंगल टिपिकल न्यूमेरिकल इज इक्वल टू 10 इजी न्यूमेरिकल्स. इफ यू आर डूइंग द इजी न्यूमेरिकल यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. जो न्यूमेरिकल नहीं निकलता हो फोकस ऑन दैट न्यूमेरिकल. जो न्यूमेरिकल आपसे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे निकल जाए उस पर दोबारा कभी काम मत करना. काम किस पे करना है? जिस पे आप अटको. कीप इन माइंड, ठीक है ना. तो ये हमेशा ध्यान रखिए व्हेनेवर यू मेक नोट्स में ये ध्यान रखना है कि कौन सी चीज पे आप अटके थे, ठीक है ना. वहीं पर अपना इंडिकेट कीजिए दैट व्हेन वी विल रिवाइज हमें इसको देखना है. क्लियर? नॉर्मली हम क्या होता है वी फील्स हैप्पी, चलो भी इजी न्यूमेरिकल्स कर लिए, हो रहे हैं. कभी भी ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल्स पे फोकस मत करो. जहां पर अटकते हो फोकस ऑन दैट. क्लियर? चलिए, सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट राइट द डाटा. सॉल्यूशन 20 ग्राम NaOH, सॉल्यूट का मास 20 ग्राम, सॉल्वेंट कितना है बेटा? 80 ग्राम वाटर, एंड डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 2 ग्राम पर ml. I'll tell you one more thing बेटा also. इन सब बुक ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये बगैर फॉर्मूले डिस्कस किया गया है, तो वहां पर आपको काफी परेशानी आएगी. सो आई सजेस्ट डू दिस टॉपिक अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूलेस. क्लियर? मैं आप देखिए आपके सामने आज जो न्यूमेरिकल मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ फॉर्मूलेस की हेल्प लूंगा, नथिंग एल्स. सो फर्स्ट आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज बाय मास. The formula is, see the students, WB upon WS into 100. Clear? चलिए, what is WB? 20. Mass of solution is not given. You can calculate. Just here, I'll write here. बेटा solution का mass किसके इक्वल होगा? Solvent plus solute. तो solvent कितना है बेटा? 80. Solute is 20. Solution comes out to be 100 gram. So 20 upon 100 into 100, this is 20% W by W. First part is clear. Second C, we have to calculate percentage W by V. We are having two methods. First I will use the formula that is WB upon Vs into 100, or secondly I know the direct relation percentage by mass into density. तो पहले इसी से करें. द परसेंटेज बाय मास इज 20 एंड डेंसिटी इज 2 ग्राम पर ml. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 40% मास बाय वॉल्यूम. नाउ बेटा इस पे काम करते हैं. सी आउट वेरी केयरफुली. WB कितना है बेटा? 20 ग्राम. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज गिवन टू यू और नॉट? हमें सॉल्यूशन का मास गिवन है. व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 100 ग्राम. बट व्हाट आई नीड? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. क्या चीज बताई थी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको कि व्हेनेवर दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन कम्स, मास इनटू वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम इनटू मास, तो हमें डेंसिटी को देखना है. किसको देखना है? डेंसिटी. रिमेंबर डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. तो वॉल्यूम क्या होगा बेटा? दैट इज ऑन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मास अपॉन डेंसिटी. सो व्हाट इज द मास? 100 ग्राम. और बेटा डेंसिटी कितना गिवन है? 2. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कम्स आउट टू बी 50 ml. सो 2 upon 50 into 100. This cut it. 5 4s are 20. This comes out to be 40% W by V. बेटा मैं चाहता तो I can use this way, but मैंने ये इसलिए बताया so that you know the function of density. By the density we can convert the mass into volume and vice versa. So two things we have calculated. First, second. Now ppm. Third, again for ppm, first is two ways for me, WB upon WS into 10 raised to the power 6. Second is percentage by mass into density. And third, since we have calculated percentage mass by volume also, so ppm is equal to percentage mass by volume. Yes, what this comes out to be? Sorry beta, this is into 10 raised to the power 4. Clear? Percentage by mass. And what is ppm? Percentage mass by volume upon density into 10 raised to the power 4. चलिए तीनों में कैलकुलेट करके देखते हैं. WB कितना गिवन है बेटा? 20. मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 100. 10 raised to the power 6. What comes out to be? This is बेटा ये 2 into 10 raised to the power. देखिए ये एक जीरो है, ऊपर जाके माइनस में जाएगा ये, तो 10 raised to the power 6 minus 1 5 ppm. Now if I use this formula, हमारा परसेंटेज बाई मास कितना आया था? 20%. So 20 into 10 raised to the power 4 comes out to be 2 into 10 raised to the power 5 ppm. Now percentage mass by volume कितना आया था हमारा? Remember what the percentage mass by volume हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया था little one earlier. परसेंटेज बाई मास को डेंसिटी से मल्टीप्लाई किया था हमने, और डेंसिटी है 2, तो बेटा 40 आया था. कितना आया था हमारा? 40 अपॉन डेंसिटी कितना है बेटा? 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. अब देखिए तो on cutting this comes out to be 20. So 20 into 10 की power 4 comes out to be 2 into 10 की power 5 ppm. So this thing is clear to all of you. हमने क्या किया? We have used 3 different methods, but answer comes out to be same. Listen बेटा, मैं बड़ा न्यूमेरिकल इसलिए करा रहा हूँ so that all these formulas they will be clear to you. Okay? चलिए now what is left? Strength. Strength के लिए we are having no इंटरकन्वर्जन, सिर्फ एक ही फॉर्मूला है और वही आपको लर्न करना है. स्ट्रेंथ इज इक्वल टू WB अपॉन VS इन लीटर्स. सो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 20. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड 50 ml हमने भी कैलकुलेट किया था वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सो 50 ml टू कन्वर्ट इनटू लीटर डिवाइड बाय 1000 comes out to be 0.05 liters. So 20 upon 0.05, remove the decimals. 100, 2000 upon 5. So this comes out to be 5 4s are 20. That is 400 gram per liter. So in this question we have calculated all the terms that is given on the left hand side. Percentage by mass, by volume, all these terms. And I think all the formulas will be clear to you. Now I'll shift to the second question, number 2 now. Question number 2 is 20% NaOH solution, mass by volume, having density 2 gram per ml. Calculate strength and ppm. Just see our solutions. This is percentage mass by volume 20%, density of solution 2 gram per ml. Okay, what you have to calculate? Just listen. You have to calculate strength. First we'll do on this, and second you have to calculate ppm. So just see beta, what is the meaning of this term? It means 20 gram NaOH is present in 100 ml of solution. It means beta the solute का mass है that is 20 gram, volume of solution 100 ml, and if I divide it by 1000, this comes out to be 0.1 liter. Concept आया? Concept are also very important. चलिए, so I calculate the strength first. Formula is WB upon volume of solution in liters. WB 20 gram, volume of solution 0.1, remove the decimal, this will be 200 gram per liter. Understand now? Okay, so now I calculate the second term, ppm. What is the formula of ppm? wb upon ws into 10 raised to the power 6. wb is given 20, but mass is not given. Volume of solution is given. How much the volume? 100 ml. Clear? And density is given. So remember, density is equal to beta mass by volume. So mass of solution is equal to density into volume. So what will I do? Density 2 है बेटा और वॉल्यूम कितना था 100 ml, तो सॉल्यूशन विल बी 200 ग्राम. सो 20 अपॉन 200 into 10 raised to the power 6. Clear? 0 से 0 cancel. This will be on cutting 1 upon 10 into 10 की power 6. On upper side this will be 1 into 10 power 6 minus 1. 1 into 10 raised to the power 5 ppm NaOH solution. So this is all about how can I convert these terms ppm to BiV and all this, and how can calculate these things now. Clear? Now question number 3. Now what will we do? Now beta we will calculate the parameters of solution. That is this right side में work out करेंगे. We will work toward right hand side. Just see I am having a question for that. Calculate mass of NaOH. Calculate the mass of NaOH in 200 gram 20% NaOH solution. 20% NaOH solution. Okay? Clear. This is given the statement. How will I do now? Solution. Just I have to calculate the mass of NaOH, means I have to calculate mass of solute. Solution is 200 gram. And what is this? Percentage. But this is percentage by mass, by volume. This is not specified. So I have told you that whenever the unit is not specified regarding the percentage, तो आप percentage को क्या लेके चलेंगे? Percentage by mass. Keep in mind. So this will be your percentage by mass 20%. So I think we are having a direct formula. Percentage by mass is equal to Wb upon Ws into 100. So percentage by mass beta 20, Wb find out, Ws 200 into 100, 0 से 0 cancel. On cross multiply, what will I get? Wb is equal to 20 into 2, 40 gram of NaOH. Clear to all of you now? Okay. Now in the next question, question number 4. I'll do a little one change, not a big change. Just this one. I'll do a little change. Just see out. Calculate the mass of NaOH in 20 gram. This I will take 20% mass by volume solution, having the density 2 gram per ml. Now just I repeat the question. What is the question? Calculate the mass of NaOH in 200 gram. कितना solution है? 200 gram solution. Okay. 20% mass by volume, and this one is given to you. So what is given to you? Just see now. You have given mass of solution is beta 200 gram. Percentage mass by volume is 20%. Density of solution is 2 gram per ml, and you have to calculate the mass of NaOH Wb. So beta percentage mass by volume given है, mass of solute निकालना है, तो obviously we use this formula. Percentage mass by volume, from here this will be formula number 3. That is no 3 नहीं, formula number 2. Percentage mass by volume is equal to Wb upon Vs into 100. तो परसेंटेज मास बाय वॉल्यूम देखिए कितना है 20. Wb कैलकुलेट करना है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन गिवन नहीं है, मास गिवन है. अगेन डेंसिटी, डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम, देन बेटा वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन डेंसिटी. व्हाट इज द मास? 200 ग्राम. व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी? 200 gram per ml. On cutting, this will be 100 ml. So WB upon 100 into cutout, your WB comes out to be 20 gram of NaOH. Understand? So this is all about that. In two question we have find out कि right side की चीजें कैसे निकालते हैं. Now just see one interesting question. The question is a solution of NaOH is 20% mass by volume and 10% volume by volume. The solution of NaOH is 20, whatever the number that is, 20% mass by volume and 10% volume by volume. Calculate the, again I repeat, solution of NaOH is 20% mass by volume and 10% volume by volume. Calculate the density of NaOH. This is the question now. So just simply understand what the question is. You have given percentage mass by volume 20, percentage volume by volume 10, and density of NaOH. You know NaOH is solute, so you have to calculate density of solute rho B. Now solute, either see the relation of percentage mass by volume और percentage by volume in which ये सारी चीजें आपकी मिलती हो, तो हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे पहुँचते हैं फॉर्मूला नंबर 6 पे. What the formula number 6 is? Percentage mass by volume is equal to beta by volume is equal to percentage mass by volume upon density. So percentage by volume कितना है बेटा 10, mass by volume 20, density of solute comes out to be on cross multiply, you will get rho B is equal to 20 by 10. This comes out to be 2 gram per ml. This you can calculate it with the help of a direct formula. Otherwise बेटा concept में जाते तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगने वाला था. You are getting a lot of time. Okay, one more question we will do of this type. The solution is 20% by volume NaOH and 40% NaOH by mass, having the density 2 gram per ml. Calculate the density of NaOH. So what is given? First percentage V by V beta 20%, percentage W by W is 40%, density of solution beta, mind it, this is the density of solution 2 gram per ml, and I have to calculate the density of solute because NaOH is solute. So just see the formula number 5. This is the relation between these two terms. So the relation I will write, percentage by volume is equal to percentage by mass into density of solution upon density of solute. Just simply put the values. Percentage by volume beta 20 equals to percentage by mass 40, density of solution 2 upon density of solute I have to find out. Cross multiply, you will get rho B is equal to 40 into 2 upon 20. This comes out to be 4 gram per ml. So ये भी हमने कैसे find out किया? On the basis of formula. And student just listen to me. ये जो अभी हमने दो क्वेश्चन किए हैं, अगर ये डायरेक्ट रिलेशन नहीं होता, then I think it is not possible to calculate the answer, or it will take at least 1 or 2 pages to solve. So in the last I say, learn these formulas and this should be on the tips. These should be on the tips. Especially you have seen these last two cases, जिसमें आपसे density पूछ ली गई है और solution का data दे दी. Am I clear to all of you? So today we have done a percentage, all the 3 types, ppm and strength. Clear? So this is all about this. Thank you so much.